So, thinking we're gonna have, I think that's Rod Knock. I think y'all can agree on me on that one. That one be Rod Knock for sure. And ready? Oh, come on now. Oh, look at that. Isn't that just fantastic? Isn't that beautiful? Yeah, can't really see inside there, but yeah, milky white. Oh, what kind of pressure we have here? I'm not sure where that noise is coming from, but so we're currently empty on coolant. Can't really see there, but currently empty on coolant. Bit of Rod Knock, and nice milky white substance underneath the valve cover. Compression test showed 150 psi cold on all four, except for this one, which was about 145. I'm going to test it again now that it's hot, and we're going to see what it is.